Hey guys, following onwards from last week's video where I showed you how to customize and add wire numbers, I'm now going to show you how to customize the component numbers. Now what do I mean by a component number? If I for instance zoom in on this coil or relay over here, you can see it has just the standard or the root mark is called KA1. And this one over here is an indicator HL1. Now you might want to add some more information to that. You might want to show what sheet that is on, what column number that's in. So we can customize this as well. To customize this, we will go up to the Project tab and left click on Configurations. Next, I will go to the tab Mark. Over here on this screen, you can actually see all the things that we can customize with the Formula Manager. So we can customize book numbers, folder numbers, our schematic numbers, which you can see down here in the bottom, row numbers and column numbers. So they don't have to be necessarily numbers. You can also use letters. So it's all pretty much customizable. Note that by default, it uses the IEC standard because I opened up an IEC template. And as you can see, it uses folder, location, and component. However, for this demonstration video, I'm going to show you how to customize them. So I'm going to check the box Customized Mark, and I'm only going to customize the components. As you can see, the screen is exactly identical to the ones from last week's tech tip. So once you understand how the Formula Manager works, it's actually very easy to customize all these things. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete everything. And let's start making up our own numbering system here. First, I want to start with the root, which is just KA or HL or any other root mark that you have. And after that, I want a sheet number. So let's go here to the file mark. After that, I want to know what column number it's in, and I might want to know the I just have a sequential order number as well, in case we've got two of the same components in the same column. Now, the sheet number and the column number, I want to have them as 2 digits, so I need to add some piece of code here. And I'm not really good at remembering things, so I just use the screen up here. As you can see over here, it tells me the exact equation. So I'm just looking over there. Same thing over here. Here we go. So the 2 stands for 2 digits and the 0 is the first number that it's going to start with. Just simply click on OK to actually use this equation. It's a nice long equation here, so I'm going to click on OK again. All right, so next what I'm going to do is you can see the numbers are still the old ones. So we go to Process. I'm going to click on Update Marks. And I'm going to click Recalculate Numbers. And I'm going to recalculate the numbers for the components. And simply click OK. Select Yes. And as you can see, my components have been updated. So KA05 is the sheet, 04 is the column, and number 1 because it's the first contactor or relay over here. That relay also has a contactor which sits up here, and as you can see it's 05041. Therefore, this cross-reference, if you might go for this style of numbering, you don't want to have this, you don't need this cross-reference anymore because it's actually embedded inside the code over here. So it's up to you how you want to go ahead and do this. If you wonder why the other 2 time delay relays didn't change, that's because I actually used manual numbers here. So I need to manually change them over. However, when I clicked Update Marks, I do have the option to recalculate manual marks as well. Okay, that's it for this week's video, guys. See you all next week, and thanks for watching.